Hello and welcome to the very first episode of my journey to become a full stack developer, which will be available on TikTok and on the YouTube channel. What I will be learning in this number of episodes I will create, that I will work with HTML and CSS to learn about how to build web pages and then use JavaScript to create a dynamic stuff, to create some functionality to on that web page. I will be learning React.js, I will be learning Node.js, I will be learning Next.js, I will be learning Python, and there is tons of things I will be learning in 2024 in order to become a full stack developer. I will be using Notion to create my notes of every step I learn. I will create my notes before creating my videos, after creating my videos, and I have created a number of lists already that for example, for the software development I will be learning front end development, and then for the front end I will be using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For the back end, I guess, as I said, I will be learning Node.js. I will have to learn databases as well. When it comes to create web pages, we have to look for the user experience. We'll have to look at designing better UI. So I will be learning Figma, I will be learning Photoshop. I will use them to create my web pages. Once we have created some website or a software, we will be uploading it. We will have to host it on some server. So I will look into an appropriate domain name for this project, the hosting, the deployment. I will be looking into it, and whatever is the new I will have to add in during these videos. On the other hand, I will be looking at the marketing. So once we create a website or a software, whatever software or website it is, definitely we need some customer. To find the better customers, we do need to have learn about traditional marketing. We need to learn about digital marketing and social media. Yeah, everything is on social media available now. We have to learn social media. We will be looking at building customer relationship, and email marketing is one of the best tool, a best way of connecting with your customers. For all those things, we will have to prepare ourselves. So those are the things I will be adding into my videos. Those are the things basically I need to learn in 2024 to run my business, to run my career, to become a full stack developer. So if I start a few things, and if I start from here, I have been looking at my notes. Okay, what I need, what are my plans is, what is the HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript, call out blocks. Okay, those are few things what Notion has added in their template. I'm using it, and I am editing this template. So if I go at the end, I have been looking, okay, HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascade style sheet, JavaScript, Next.js, Tailwind. This will be the CSS, the frameworks, the few things I will be adding into it. And for designing, if I say that I need to learn Figma, I need to learn Photoshop. Okay, these two tools and some other tools I will be using in my videos, they have some cost on it. So I have to create a web page where I will be adding the price of those tools. For example, the Figma cost couple of dollars or pounds per month, 10 to $15. We will look into the packages. Photoshop has its cost. We will be using Canva a lot in creating the creating some of the graphics I will be using, especially when it comes to layout or the social media, or even the slides I will be using. For example, this is one of the slide I am creating, that I am using Canva, and I have used everything available in the Canva, all those tools, all those logos, all those icons, everything is available on Canva. So Canva has some cost, Figma has some cost. So if I start that, what pages do I need? And that will be a good start to understand. But before looking at into the pages, we need to decide what type of website are we going to create. So I can say like if I say like two types of website, one is a brochure website and one is the e-commerce website. So the e-commerce where we will have a shop, we will have a payment gateway integrated such as Stripe, or we don't have any payment gateway and we can create a brochure website. Since this series is about learning HTML, learning about website development, so I will not go into the functionality of using online payment, because first we need to learn the concept of the website. Once that part is done, we will be adding a lot of functionalities into it. So let's say I create a website about me or a local business. So we definitely need one page. I will say it like, okay, a page, and oops, I didn't go back, and I was going to say heading. So in Notion, we click slash and I say heading, it's heading one, and I'm going to create pages needed for my website. So what are the pages we do need to we do need for our website though? So the first page I would say is home, and then where everything about the website is there. People come to that main web page and they know what this website is about. Then we will need about. I can add some of these services. Those are the pages. I can say contact page, or I can add one more page here called blog, or say less post. So either it's a blog or it's a post. So those are the 5 pages I will be creating, and each of 5 pages will have different type of content. We will be learning about how we choose the best content for each pages. Remember I said that we will be looking at not only the coding for the website, but we will be looking at the UX of that website as well. We will be looking at the marketing, the digital marketing, the social media, the email marketing. So we have to keep all those things in mind once we decide about the content, about the layout of the website, the UX. So what I will use to do the coding, we use a lot of tools are available, but one of these tool I learned from professionals is Microsoft Visual Studio, and this tool I will be using to create my pages, to design means the programming, the coding of the pages. So that is something I will be doing. Now I will leave this for the second video where we will talk about that how I will start creating my pages, and then I will start adding content to those pages. I will say thank you for now. Talk to you soon.